I was gifted these assorted zip bags, and these have honestly been such a useful upgrade in my kitchen. If you use zip bags a lot like I do, the first thing you'll notice is how sturdy these feel. They're thicker than your typical bags, and the seal is really strong, so I feel comfortable using them for things like snacks, leftovers, and even liquids. The zipper is also super easy to use. It has a nice grip to it, so it opens and closes smoothly without that frustrating did it seal or not moment. I've been using these in the freezer too, and they hold up really well. Everything stays protected, and I haven't had any issues with leaks or anything getting messed up. Another thing I like is that you can rinse and reuse them a few times, so they last longer than what I was using before. They also come in different sizes, which makes it easy to organize everything from small snacks to bigger items. Overall, they just feel like a more durable, reliable option for everyday use, and I've definitely been reaching for these over my regular bags.